Got it.
Okay. So what is our project name? Our project name is the, my screen is visible to everybody?
Yes.
Professional tutors. So it was actually our first company website. Till this company trade license website, it is a bank account, everything is live. We want to make, this is the journey of the pieces got started in 2010, and 15th August it was live 2010. It is oldest from here, it is known origin. Then it changes to, okay, 2013 PCS Global. So we have a, actually in our company has a 3, okay, trade license. PCS Global is another business. It's 2013 it becomes private limited company. Okay, so forget it. So now, so this is a, here we want to build the remodel or base site. So next, okay, so site name, so what will be the architecture? So it is a, now we are going to do the architecture. Okay, so this project backend will be used as database. According to nature of the project, it's required relational database. Okay, so how many of you are here familiar with the MySQL? Respond here. How many of you are here know MySQL database? You can come to voice. Tell me or
Yes, sir.
name. Everybody should always speak name.
So not with MySQL, but Oracle SQL.
Okay, so if your Oracle knows, you immediately you pick up yourself in MySQL. Just syntax is different because you will be, except if you do not work very high-end commercial project like banking sector or okay, very big high-end project, big company, you will be not get real-life project scope of Oracle. So that's the reason you should, if you know Oracle, good, but be MySQL expert also. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the MySQL database. So our database will be MySQL. Okay. So here we want to, because we are going to tell the very basic architecture, basic technology. So we will use not any complexity. So what we will use here? We will use here a data access object. Data. Oh my God, this is 1 minute. One minute. This is the laptop screen. This laptop is getting hanged. 1 minute. One minute to switch. Just a minute. This laptop would not respond. Okay. Data access object. Everybody note it. It is a called data access object. Okay. So next, everybody, you need to know about the where data will be stored. Where data will be stored? Data stored in an object. Data stored. Data stored in an object. Okay. Am I audible to all of you? Data stored in an object. Are you listening?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So where data will be stored? Data will be stored in an object. So it has a name. It has a name. So what is the name? Everybody need to be familiar. It's called DTO. DTO. What is the full form? You can note down that full form. Data transfer object. Okay. What is the full form? Everybody tell me.
Data transfer object.
I get knowledge from only one answer. What is the full
Data
form?
transfer knowledge.
Data transfer object.
Okay. Another, it's called DO, or it has a two name. Like in our home, we have a multiple name. Father has given a one name, mother has given a one name, sister has given one name. So it is similar like, so DTO means data transfer object. DO means value object. Another thing is very common. You may be here. It's called bean. It's called bean. And actually, data stored here. Data before storing to database, data first stored here. Okay, like you are going to USA, you are okay from India, you are first you are okay taking rest in Dubai, and then again you are going to the USA. So it is a data stored in DTO layer before coming to front end to backend database and database to okay in front end. In between data stored where DTO. Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Next. So what is the next layer? Next layer is actually, next layer is, okay, this laptop is creating problems. My high-end laptop is creating lots of problem. Sometimes it is a responding this problem. 1 minute, it will ask me. Okay. So next layer, everybody be very careful. It is called service layer, or it is called model. Oh. Okay, so data is called service layer. So this is the layer will be pure Java. All of you are learning JDBC, so you can build this layer in JDBC. So it is a service layer. What service layer will be there? It will be business logic. Okay, why it is the business logic? When will be the business logic? When tutor will search student and student will search tutor, and lots of mathematics calculation will be happen there. Monetary calculation, business calculation will be there. That is called business logic. So all business logic, where should we write? In service layer. In a service layer. Okay. So it is a irrespective of any technology. You can do Manstack, you can do Salesforce, you can do Java, you can do Python. Whatever the technology you do, you need to create a business logic layer in any project. Concept clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Are you feeling sleep or you are feeling excited?
Excited.
Okay, so next, when it will be done, then we will go to view layer, which we able to see. I have given you the 6-7 website. You are able to see which things, only view layer. You are not able to see the what is the behind the which technology they are using. Some website are using PHP, some using JSP, some using Manstack, or some using other technology. So everything is a website for you. But behind the screen, technology are different. So which layer is visible to us? That is called view layer. That is called view layer. Okay. So sorry, in between I need to create another layer. So I need to create another layer. Okay. Okay. Sorry. It is called controller layer. Controller layer. Control. So controller layer. And controller layer, actually here we will use the controller layer. Controller layer task is, okay, idhar jao, udhar jao. It's there like a, they give an order. Okay. They do not do work actually. They give the order. Okay, this is the action. So this is you, it will be reaction. So they only dispatch control. It is called dispatch control. You click on this navigation, so it will be the output page. So only it's forward control. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
then
sir.
we are going to use, okay, UI layer. It is a use called user interface. UI layer, and now it's called UI UX layer. What is the full form? UI, user interface, and UX means user experience, because today user experience is a big matter. So it is a UI layer and it is a UX layer. Okay, UI UX. So this is the view layer. It is called view layer. So how you are familiar with the MVC architecture? MVC. So V for what is stand V for? V stands for
View.
View.
Sir.
view layer. So every website we have seen it is a V for view. Next, every site we notice there is a behind the after view, behind the screen, there is a controller layer. If you work for Angular, there is a controller. If you work for React, there is a controller. Whatever the technology you do, behind the screen, there will be a controller layer. Is it clear to everybody? So then a layer is called service layer, and entire these layers are in part of the model layer. So in model layer, it is a service layer, and to store data, a bean will be there. It is called in Spring Boot, it is called entity. In Spring Boot, it is called entity. Or you can create another layer here. It is called entity layer in Spring Boot. Okay, so many of you are working for with under guidance of Hilod sir. He is leading all Java Spring Boot project entity layer. So then data is actually DAO layer. It is storing only data and retrieving data, storing only data and retrieving data. So it is a architecture of your project. So which layer, which technology will be used? So all of you note down. So first things, what is the technology will be required for to work with the professional tutor for all of you? You need to, everybody need to be expert in the MySQL database. Everybody note here. So you need to be expert in the MySQL. So to work with the MySQL, you should know very good SQL query. Yes or no?
Yes.
Everybody need to be very good in SQL. SQL is required everywhere. Even Dhitiman is learning Salesforce. I asked him to learn SQL first. Okay, so the things is SQL, you need to be expert. Next, you need to be expert in how layer. It is a simple Java. It is a simple Java layer. Simple Java layer. Okay, we should not use any complex technology. We will use simple Java layer, JDBC. Actually, we'll use simple JDBC. How? Who have been learned JDBC? Who are compatible in JDBC? Here, who have learned JDBC? Anybody?
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, I am Joy. Recently, I completed the JDBC.
Great. So after completed JDBC to get the scope to work in a project, how much exciting things will be happen for you? Will you
Very much exciting.
Yes, great. So things is next in JDBC. Then DTO. It's nothing but a setter and getter, simple Java. It is a called POJO. Everybody note it called POJO. POJO full form, plain old Java object. Plain old Java object, simple setter and getter and attribute like class, variable and method, setter method and getter method. It is called POJO. Very simple. Next, you need to learn, okay, how to write business logic. To be an expert in the industry, you have to know, okay, why company reject freshers? Because they know freshers will be not able to write business logic. Even if the idea came to their mind, they will be not implement. That's the reason freshers are being rejected. But all of you are welcome to PCS Global to implement learning logic implementation. So service layer is a business logic. So which technology will you use for professional tutor? Very simple Java technology, no complexity, simple Java, core Java will use. So okay, it will be okay for you. Okay, when will be Spring Boot? Advanced technology Spring Boot will be used. Okay, Monster it will be Express.js will be used. Okay, so the things is okay, technology will be okay. Next, controller layer. Which technology will be used in for professional tutor project? Servlet will be used. We will use Servlet. We'll use Servlet technology. Okay. Who knows Servlet? In this entire total audience, who knows Servlet so far?
And
Who knows Servlet?
sir, it's me, Joy.
Only Joy? Nobody else?
I know.
Sir, Servlet, JSP, and JDBC, and moving towards Spring and Spring Boot, sir.
Very good. Very good. So the things is, will it be good for everybody? Okay, who are new? So Servlet, we will be promote some resource in Spring Boot, but base technology also will be with you. Understand? Base, never forget the base. Never forget the root. So Servlet will be here. Then another technology, even less used in industry now, but okay, it is the base. Even upcoming 50 years, it will be not obsolete. Okay, so it is called JSP. We should implement JSP in the view layer. We are going to implement JSP. If you tell someone, oh, to obsolete, obsolete nahi, it is a base, it will be never obsolete. Anytime will be happen, ABCD English, ABCD XYZ will be obsolete upcoming 20, 50 years after. ABCD will be obsolete anytime. No, it will be never obsolete. Okay, alphabet will not obsolete. Similarly, JS will be never obsolete. Servlet will be never obsolete. Okay, so this is a JSP technology we are going to use. Next, in view layer, we will use HTML. We'll use CSS. We'll use Bootstrap. We'll use JavaScript. We'll use JavaScript. So these are the things will be used in view layer. And also class Java is called JSP. So all of these and including Java is called, it is equivalent to JSP. It built JSP. So what is JSP? Now JSP means Java plus HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, everything together. Okay, so this is the entire technology overview for all of you. Okay, all of you got the idea? Hello?
Sir.
Okay. Now I want to raise, who are here excited to work with this project? Nobody?
Yes, sir.
I am
Excited
Yes,
to
sir.
work.
Next. So now I want to share you, okay, some real website which is using, okay, let me clear it. Okay. Okay. Now I want to share it on website, a simple JSP website. Okay, you note down this site. It is a simple site. Okay, because we want to do the basic technology. So everybody note this website. Hot 6 up. It is a built-in check-in. Which technology it has been built up? You will be able to see the browser URL. Which technology it has been used in the front end in browser check? Which technology is used front end?
Yes.
JSP. So we are going to use the same base JSP technology will be the front end. Understand everybody? So we are going to the entire front end. We are going to do using JSP technology. Just controller layer, we are going to build controller layer using servlet technology. We want to build logic section using Java technology. We want to interact in the database using JDBC technology. We will store data in the MySQL technology. Entire architecture view is clear for all of you.
Yes, sir.
So next, what next? First things first, if you work for a project, I told you project is not a, okay, here gradually we will build some team in front end, some teams in middle layer, some teams in database layer. We will build a bigger team. And also many more new resources will come. So the things is, what we want to do here, okay, those who will be do good work, gradually I will be promote them as a team lead, some okay, good resource, and also you will be guidance nurtured by good resource will be by Hillel sir. Okay, many of you may be familiar with the Hillel sir. He is a very senior lead person. So next is, today I want to share with the view of database. I want to give the view of database. So let me, today our foundation is building. Okay, 1 minute, let me share screen. Now we want to share your database to all of you. Okay, so database to all of you. So this is the database. Okay, a project is not a small, a project is very big. Just see the how many tables are there in behind the screen. These are the tables are there. Okay.
Somebody got finished all the 4 months technical, all the ones, then he got a mail that position is filled actually. But, we'll consider.
Okay. So this is the project. Okay, so database. The first table is the database. Two main stakeholder. One is a two main stakeholder in this project. So one is, first is a tutor and second is a student. So first is a tutor. in here. So first table is the tutor table and second is the, okay, so let me draw a picture to all of you. So we have to understand database first. So what are the key stakeholder, key tables? One is a, okay, one is actually it is a student. Another is tutor. So it is a student. So student need tutor and tutor need student. Okay. So are you following, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So student need the main two table. One is a tutor table, another is a student table. So student and tutor. So there is a main two tables. One table for tutor table and one table for student table. Student table. Next, during your college, I do not know whether you study or not study. So if you keep all of your data in a single table, so it is unmanageable. So we divide the things in a normalization. It's called normalization. Anybody of you are here who heard the term called normalization during your academic time, database DBMS student?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we should not keep everything in a single table. We make it a small table. So tutor table has a 7-8 child table. To student table have a less table, okay, 2 tables in this project, entire project. So we need to, okay, so table. So what will be your task? Tomorrow, before coming to midnight town hall, database be familiar. Tomorrow you familiar with the basic SQL and domain knowledge. Primarily today, I do not want to make much more late today. So be with domain knowledge. So all of you inform all of your friends who are in EILP batch, let everybody return back and spread this message to everywhere. So the things is entire EILP resources are going to work in a project. So it will be, okay, some guidance and project. So now onwards I will taken you, since I am an industry person, I need your support. Little odd time will be the things and guidance will happen. And all of you, again, I will be moved to, okay, Hillwell sir guidance, those were good resource. So that's all for today, and go for domain knowledge and tomorrow join in midnight town hall. Okay, and EILP students, okay, tomorrow at 9:30, I am thinking to, okay, inform with the professional tutor work tomorrow more. Okay, and tomorrow if it's a, but I will inform to everybody in, okay, message tomorrow. It may be required late to return back, but otherwise midnight town hall will be happen for everybody. Okay, so thank you for everybody. Thank you for.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I will
night.
share this video, and you will be keep in mind entire architecture, and an excellent project is going to start. And tomorrow will be go more depth in the project. Okay. Thank you. Good night to all of you.
Acha, don't sir. forget to reach me on Sunday. Okay,
Yes, sir.
because that is very important for the placement. At the end of the day, when you are able to do the project and all, you will be able